Wow. I just got the same walk-up music that was played for Mariano Rivera whenever he was called from the bullpen, the greatest closer of all time. I love Mariano. So are you as inspired by what we've seen as today as I am? Yeah. Just a few months ago, many of these AI solutions may not have been possible. Yet now, here they are, not just ideas, but realities. The pace of innovation with AI is advancing at an extraordinary speed. Just in the last 12 months, Domo has released 31 new features, giving you the tools to thrive in this AI revolution. Whether you're just starting out or well on your way with AI, Domo is here to make sure you can use AI confidently, securely, and to its fullest potential. The key to success in adopting AI starts with your data. Let me just repeat that. The key to your success in adopting AI starts with your data. Yeah, Domo was built for this moment. I've always loved data, but it isn't only about having the data. It's about turning that data into real actionable value. Early in my career, I transformed raw supermarket scanner data into an interactive analytics tool, empowering brand managers with new insights. This happened before it had a name, but now this approach is known as data products. Harvard Business Review says the companies that treat data like a product can reduce the time it takes to implement it in new use cases by as much as 90%. Your data is one of your most valuable assets. It's the fuel for accelerating growth and innovation. According to recent studies, only about 30% of enterprise data gets used effectively, and just a quarter of employees feel prepared to use the data that they have. But what does it mean to treat data like a product? It's simple. A data product is ready-to-use data, metadata, and tools packaged in a way that's reusable and consumable to solve real business problems. Here's what makes a data product special. It's trustworthy, accurate, complete, and always reliable. It's discoverable, so your team can find it when they need it, and it's accessible, ready to use without hassle. And most importantly, it's secure, keeping your data protected and compliant. What makes data products truly powerful is that they are inherently reusable. Like a Lego brick, a data product can be quickly snapped into any number of business applications. This reusability means your data products can become building blocks that your consumers can snap together to create something new, solve problems, and answer questions beyond what you could have imagined. This is why Domo is built for data products. Historically, building great products meant cobbling together different technologies, resulting in lengthy development cycles that hindered innovation and agility. Domo changed that narrative by offering a single platform that equips you with powerful tools to transform and manage data. It also provides the flexibility to adapt to your data products as your needs evolve, allowing you to seamlessly integrate with your existing data infrastructure. And you can deploy these data products wherever they create value, internally to your teams or externally to partners and customers through Domo Everywhere. I love seeing how a customer creates a powerful data product that they use internally to run their business that then becomes a valuable asset to use externally as well. In effect, they magnify the value, that core asset, they magnify the value of that core asset by sharing governed access to that same data product to their partners, suppliers, customers, using Domo Everywhere. Data products don't stop at the door of your headquarters. They deliver value with partners, such as suppliers and vendors, and even video game developers. Yes, the Sony's PlayStation team has built an incredible data product that allows them to empower their game developers with data and now serves over 2,000 developers and thousands of users. All of this is delivered to their users through Domo Everywhere. Harvard Business Publishing has also taken this approach. They share information about training with their customers, and you'll hear more from them later as they share their story with all of you. We've seen significant growth in the usage of Domo everywhere as Domo customers realize the value of leveraging their data products externally. Every month, we see over 40 million embedded card loads across all Domo customers, an increase of 37% to last year. Most importantly, Domo connects to your data no matter where it lives, in cloud data warehouses, on-premise systems, or hybrid environments. The best part, your data never has to move. It stays securely in your cloud data warehouse exactly where it belongs. Meanwhile, you gain the full power and flexibility of the Domo platform, working seamlessly with your data, all without the need to move or copy the data. Domo runs on your cloud data warehouse. We understand the time and effort that your organization has invested into building your data strategy, and we're passionate about helping you maximize its potential. As your teams grow and your partners grow, your strategy also evolves. This often involves identifying the right cloud data warehouse provider to meet your business needs. I want to share a common scenario I've observed with some of our customers. You might have selected Snowflake as your primary cloud data warehouse, and perhaps one of your key agencies leverages it to share data with you. Maybe your Google Analytics data remains best accessed through BigQuery, while your data science team has started utilizing Databricks for developing their models. The landscape can quickly evolve, and if what your business needs today is not the same as what it needs tomorrow, you're prepared. Because with Domo, you are ready to build the best data products and take full advantage of AI. Many of you have been alongside us as we've worked to strengthen integrations with the growing ecosystem of cloud data warehouses. I think back to sitting in an early customer advisory board meeting with Cameron Davies and David Hargens. Back then, they were both at separate companies, but a few years later, Cameron joined Yum Brands as their chief data officer, with David following soon after. Initially, their data architecture didn't include cloud data warehouses, but today, Yum has become one of the largest adopters of Domo on Snowflake. Yum Brands, they're the name behind KFC, Pizza Hut, and Taco Bell. They needed a corporate-wide analytics solution to gain visibility into key areas like sales, operations, HR, and finance. They also needed actionable data down to the individual store level. By using Domo, they've aggregated and analyzed data from multiple sources, helping them reduce raw material costs, track store performance, and manage HR expenses. Combining this with Snowflake, they analyze, transform, and visualize data across departments, drilling down to insights as granular as individual store performance. This empowers smarter decision-making at all levels. And this is just one of the many success stories reflecting your strategy in action. Over the past year, the number of organizations adopting Cloud Amplifier has tripled, a testament to its impact.